Our woodpecker installation started after an experience I had in nature. I was in a forest walking and 3 woodpeckers were having a dialogue with each other. And I thought that's a nice idea I want to create in a show. And that's how it all started. We created together the installation with more sounds, ideas. A trip in sound, a trip in landscapes. With your imagination, you experience a whole.
It's important for the children to experiencing sounds just by themselves, feel and interact with it.
And it's nice for babies and also for adults. Everyone can join and play with us and relax and just listen.
It's actually about also stimulating this kind of freedom and trust. It's a safe environment for the child where it can explore and where we are not all the time having to put boundaries in.
We play with them. They create with us the show.